Welcome to my online class. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to say about seed multiplication technology in agriculture, which is under lesson 5, chapter 2. Title of the chapter 2 is Agricultural Technology. Agricultural technology. Do you know what is agricultural technology? Simply we can say that the technology which is used in agriculture is called agricultural technology. You have seen the title, lesson 5, seed multiplication technology. Seed multiplication is a technology, is also a technology among many technology. Multiplication, seed multiplication is means production of high yielding seed. At first read the passage and then try to understand. The foremost technology to be cited for plant multiplication is the production of seeds of high yielding varieties. The Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute is engaged in breeding seeds of high yielding varieties for vegetables, wheat, mustard, potato, etc. Among the vegetables are tomato, brinjal, bottle gourd, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, chili, etc. These high yielding varieties, as released by Seed Certification Authority, reach the farmers and they grow better crops and earn profits. For example, they can even grow tomato in summer, brinjal and water gourd throughout the year, and many more. The Bangladesh Rice Research Institute has so far developed and released 76 high yielding varieties of rice. The number is growing almost every year. Among the high yielding varieties, some are mentioned below. In the first passage, you have seen that name of institute, that is Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute. Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute is established in Gazipur, Dhaka. They do research on the development of agricultural crop. Recently they have released 102 high yielding varieties of rice, but in your textbook you have learned that they have released 76 high yielding varieties. Some you should learn some name only for MCQ purpose, such as BR9 Shufola, BR14 Gazi, BR16 Shashi Balam, etc. Shahi Balam, BR16 Shahi Balam. These varieties are cultivated in Aus season. On the other hand, BR11 Mukta, Bridhan 30, Bridhan 33, Bridhan 40, Bridhan 44, etc. are cultivated in Aman season. And in Boro season, Bridhan 28, Bridhan 29, Bridhan 36, Bridhan 50, that means Bangla Moti, and hybrid Dhan 1, etc. are cultivated. Seed multiplication, I have earlier said, seed multiplication is the production of high quality seed. High quality seed, people cannot, normal people cannot make high quality seed, but research organization can do it, because it is a highly technical job. The prime objective of this job is to restore the qualities of seed. Let's see how they can do it. The seed scientists suggest the following measures to be taken to produce a standard quality of seeds. First measure, restoration of purity of seed. The identity of a seed is provided by its origin. Therefore, during seed multiplication, strict care must be taken so that seed from different origin do not get mixed with the working seed. Suppose restoration means retaining of characteristics. Suppose I want to produce high quality basmati rice, but at the end of the day, if I see that the quality of basmati is inferior than that I planted before, so it will not acceptable. So I have to maintain the quality in doing my research. Second one is isolation of seed crop from commercial or normal crop. If I do not maintain the isolation distance properly, then a new variety will create that may that have less quality. So that may have less quality, so I have to isolate the crop properly, because pollination may easily occur from one variety to another variety, and the produced crop may be dissimilar to the high quality crop. Next one, seed treatment. If we treat all the seeds with Grosan M or Vitavex 200, then no pathogen will born in it. Next one is seed sowing method. Seed sowing method is very important. If we sow seed timely, it will produce a good seed in future. Rogging. What is rogging? Rogging means removal of unwanted plants from the cultivated crops. That means if I see that there are unwanted weeds in rice crop, so I have to destroy the weeds, because it will compete with the rice crop and the production of rice will be less. So removal of unwanted weeds or unwanted crop is called rogging. Intercultural operation. Intercultural operation means the operations or works done before harvest is called intercultural operation. That means fertilization, drainage, seeding, weeding, etc. are called intercultural operation. Then number 7, harvest of seed crop. Seed crop should be harvested as soon as they have been matured and ripened. Delay may expose the crop to rain, hailstorm, and contamination with seed-borne pathogens. Extra care should be taken that the seed crop may not suffer from injury during harvest and post-harvest operations. Number 8, drying of seeds and storage. We should dry rice or wheat seed so that the moisture content becomes 12%. If the moisture content of seed is higher, pathogen or insects may attack on it. Too much of drying makes it brittle. Brittle means fragile or breakable. That is not desirable. Seed to be preferably stored in airtight containers which should be dry and clean. Malathion may be sprayed to protect seeds from insects. Now let's see production of quality seed. How to product quality seed? We have to follow only 3 steps to produce quality seed. First one is basic seed, second one is foundation seed, and third one is certified seed. Farmers should not use any seed other than certified seed. If anyone uses the seeds without core instead of certified seed, he may not get good crop. Seed certification agency or authority certifies seed after completing required seed testing procedure. The steps of quality seed production are described below. First one is basic seed. The seed with high genetic character is produced in research institute with intensive supervision by the plant breeding scientist, and it is called basic seeds. Usually basic seeds are produced in a small quantity. These seeds are not for sale. So what do you mean by basic seed? Basic seed is seed that is produced by only scientists. Foundation seed, the seed which is produced in controlled environment from basic seed. Foundation seed is made from basic seed. Okay. Certified seed. Certified seed is also produced in controlled atmosphere, but it is basic thing is it is certified by Seed Certification Agency, SCA. The SCA issues a certificate in this respect. These seeds are sold to farmers. In a certified seed, in a sack of certified seed, there is a tag. There is a tag where where something is written. It may be written 90% purity. There may be a seal of certifying agency, and the sack will be uh, sewed by a thread, and there is a name on the sack. Homework of this chapter: question. Write down a question in your homework copy. What measures should be taken to produce a standard quality of seed? Please show me this homework on Classroom. Thank you for watching this video.